Hey guys, welcome back to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Ardith, and today I'm turning 24. So I really wanted to have some fun and do a really fun cut crease look with some glitter today. I wanted to kind of go all out for my 24th birthday. Even though we are all still in quarantine, I just wanted to have some fun, and I hope you guys will want to get ready with me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and I pulled my hair back, and I'm just spraying the Aven Thermal Spring Water all over. I highly recommend this to anybody who has super sensitive skin like I do. So I'm going ahead and I'm using my Milk Luminous Blur Stick all over my face. And I'm now just going to be doing my eyebrows and prepping my eyelids for eyeshadow off camera. So I'm not going to be jumping into the makeup forever. M656 shade. It's a very pretty matte pink, and I'm just placing that on the outer corner and in the crease area and blending it up toward my eyebrow. This one is going to be our transition shade. Once I have that laid down, I went ahead and I jumped into my very old, very dirty Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. I took the shade Love Letter and I placed that on the outer corner, and I placed that in my crease as well. And I blended it up toward the eyebrow, but not as high as the first pink shade. Now that I have that laid down, I'm just going to jump into the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm placing this deep cranberry shade on the outer corner. I'm just packing that as much as I can and blending that up into my crease, but only halfway. This shade does have a lot of fallout, and it does take a little bit to kind of get the pigment to where you want it, but once you have it, it's amazing, and it looks so pretty. I'm now taking that even deeper brownish cherry shade and placing that on the outer corner just to give the look a little more depth. Now that I have my crease shades down, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Fair, and I'm using a Sephora Collection Pro Liner Brush, and I'm just mapping out my crease. So now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm using very, very little product just to kind of create a thin layer over my lid that we will then set with some eyeshadows. I'm going to be using this kind of ivory pearlescent shade and placing that on the inner part of my lid. I'm now taking the champagne color from the Mauve Obsessions palette and using a finger. I'm placing that more on the center of the lid. And then using this shimmery cranberry shade, I'm placing that on the outer part of the lid. So it blends into the outer corner color and gives my eye a nice gradient from light to dark. Now that I'm happy with where the eyeshadows are, I'm taking the Morphe liquid liner in the color Ink, and I'm going to just line my lash line with that. I'm now going to be mixing all three of these loose glitter shades. All of them are by NYX, and I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to place that on with a brush, kind of tap it in with a finger, and then pick up that mixture and place it on the outer part of my lid. I really liked mixing these shades together because one had more of like a rainbow vibe, the other one had more of a pink, and then another one had more of a copper, which kind of resembled all the colors that I was using, but I always like using the rainbow one because I feel like it adds a couple fun colors into the mix. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my base off camera. So now I'm jumping in to the Sephora Collection contour palette, and I'm taking that center shade and I'm just going to use that all over. I'm now jumping into the Butter Bronzer and placing that on top just to give it a little more warmth. I'm now jumping into the Tarte blush in the shade Party and placing that on my cheeks. I'm now going to be using my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold and using that on all the high points of my face. Now everything that I did in the crease, I'm just going to do on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lashes and lips off camera. And here is the final look. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look. I love the glitter and the cut crease. I think it looks so elegant. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below on looks you would like to see me do. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!